Last month, this bald eagle, now named Scoop, went for a 30-mile ride stuck in the grill of an Osage County family's car.
The driver said that they thought they hit a buzzard.
After a lot of TLC, we learned Scoop still has a long road to recovery.
We'll say he has a 50-50 chance of release.
Wild Heart Ranch volunteer Daniel Hart said Scoop had to have the tip of his wing sewn back together, and that car ride dislocated part of his chest bone that holds his wing out to fly. Now he's in a wing brace and a full body wrap.
I will say that he's the most talkative eagle we've ever had in.
Hart said the eagle's chest bone must heal completely or he can't be released into the wild.
He wouldn't be able to survive. He wouldn't be able to hunt or get away from the predators that would be on the ground.
Hart said the body wrap and sling will stay on for another week, then they'll check him. If he does heal correctly, Scoop would likely need about 3 months of physical therapy before he could be released back into the wild. Hart says while Scoop is safe here, he says their ultimate goal is to get him healthy again.
You can see it in their eyes. The longer that they're in a cage, it's just their free spirit, their will to be free. It's just not in them anymore after a while of being in a cage.
But Scoop hasn't lost that sense of freedom yet.
He's still a fighter.
Now, Hart told Morgan if Scoop is unable to be released, he has no doubt they will find a great sanctuary for him to live out his life. Hart also said the community has been supportive, has been donating money and fish for the cause.